Hey, it's another bike riding day. Man, it got cold again. So I'm heading on out and I gotta get some food. But that's not what I want to talk about. I want to get going and telling you I'm shooting with the OP3 today. As we learn the common issue of users, the record, delete, cancel is only on the OP3. And the pause record is only on the OP2. So please don't get them confused saying that you made a mistake of deleting your video from an OP3 because you own an OP2. Don't get me wrong, I'm just trying to be helpful. Oh, the sun is rising. I want to be catching it, then complaining. Are you complaining? Well, you're going to catch the sunrise with me. I heard there may be firmware coming out in May, June. Yeah, and it may have what you want or not want. But at least there's going to be an update, I believe. So let's keep our fingers crossed that they listened to some of the suggestions we all made. Gas is on the rise again. $3.47 to $4.27. It's going to get quite expensive, almost $4 once again. Oh yeah, thanks to all the issues in the world we're all having. Man, I made a personal review video a while back with this bad boy. Let me tell you, I don't know what happened. Everything was just piss poor planned. No, it just didn't come out the way it looked, man. It came out like with issues. But I still made the video with it. You can see the two different cameras and how one really was good and the other one struggled. I think the next 085 Osmo Action 5 that's coming out, it's gonna have better Bluetooth connection. I don't think it was made for the DJI Mic 2. And yeah, and the OP3, the Osmo Pocket 3 was because the consistency is a lot better than the 084. Well, my hand's on the handlebar and I'm holding the camera like this on the handlebar. And at least it should be, steady, but get it off of it. Now it's going to be buttery smooth. If there are bumps, then it's going to give a little shakes like what's going to happen right now. Little bumps. Why is my audio to video sync on? Is my audio to video sync still on? I got wasted video. Let's not talk about that, fish. Let's talk about how beautiful the noise, the pollution, the sunrise. Welcome to my castle. Come on up. We can have a little talk. Oh man, that is nice. I should come and build myself another sandcastle. Oh yeah. One day they'll fix this rather than patch it up with plates. See what we can see in the water. Yeah, man. Slack tide, green. Why? When I have selfie face track on, and then I either click and move the joystick, the 5D to the side, my head goes like this, on an angle. But am I on any type of angle? I guess that's how these things work, baby. Does a nice job. Now, you're not gonna see my background because it's bokeh. Do you love bokeh all the time? Or should I just get out of the background? And now it's not bokeh anymore. Is it bokeh? Because I can't see on that little 2-inch screen that I got portrait mode. Well, I beat sunrise up. I'm gonna head on back, maybe do a little talk at the park. Then head on and get my, monthly bagels. Yeah. What bagels do you like? I don't love these bagels, but they're the best price in town. I think I'm gonna get everything again. I'm gonna get cinnamon raisin again, and I'm gonna get pumpernickel again. I don't love poppy. Sesame I do like. Sometimes I get bored with sesame. But I want other flavors. Salt I don't need, garlic I don't need, because everything bagels got it. Oh, I made you hungry for a bagel. The seagulls are having a great time on land. They're flying. They're flying. All right. Hear them? Oh, yeah, man. A group of DJI seagulls. Hey, hey, yeah. The one thing I noticed of this bad boy, it only got beeped for the start and stop of the record. It doesn't have a startup tone or a shutdown tone. How sweet is that? It's been such a long time since I did a vlog talk like this. And yeah, I hit the record. I'm on selfie face track. Watch. Gonna face track. Do I gotta get up? How close? 3 feet? 2 feet? Face track don't work like it's supposed to. But once you set it up, then you can get up and you can walk and do your talk. So this is a walk and talk. How slow can you go? And is it, because it's got what? Brushless motors. What if it had a brushed motor in it? Oh, you wouldn't be happy. It's brushless. So I'm heading on out. I had my talk. Yeah. I don't love it when I gotta put it on the dynamic range with face tracking, because you know I do it. You see the movement. Wouldn't you want to just have it set up before you start? I find this a wonderful shot for the reasons of the way it's set up. Great job, people. Love it. Oh, fish, you need to come down. There you go. Now you see the flowers. If I hit the zoom on the right center side, it stays on there as a memory. Got a last memory set thing. And if I just press it again and keep it on the joystick movement, that's cool. I didn't know that. But now I don't have to keep hitting it. Don't have to be locked on. Coming around the corner, do a little shortcut. Woohoo! I could have made it. I chickened out. To the bagel store. Oh, the sign is clearly in the window. And I asked for my dozen bagels to special. I get questioned? Not me. Off we go. We got what do we need? Let's get going. Put you away. I still could ride. I got here. The bagels on the handlebars, they're just moving me around and around and around. Well, I had a good ride. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed yours. Selfie face track doesn't work all the time. It must be near and register you. The zoom and the angle. Yeah, got two memories. So it remembers which one you pressed before last used. And I'm happy. Used the camera. Got some good shots. Did a good vlog. Did a good talk. Enjoy the video. Have a great day. Hope the firmware comes out this month and next. If not, I'll just keep on waiting for what I asked for. Have a great day. on fish. It did a nice job. Little literature. Take or leave. Very nice indeed.